I got a request for a video of my indoor units running, so here it is. Both of them running on a 90-degree Fahrenheit day with a heat index of about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. 110 degrees. And I'm pretty sure these are upflow furnaces. So yeah, they're upflow furnaces, so that would put the efficiency at 92.3%. 92.3 annual fuel utilization. What the hell does FU mean? AFUE efficiency? Annual fuel utilization efficiency? That's where the pilot light for the furnace is. And that one has been missing the carrier emblem since we bought the house. Not that big a deal. Oh yeah, that one. It's broken. I gotta fix that. The little clasp broke. As you can see, I just got finished spraying the outdoor condensing units down. There was a lot of dust and other crap in the coils from when the deck was being built, but I washed most, if not all of it out. And when I was spraying down, before I sprayed down the units, the air being discharged out of the top was very, very hot. And then when I started spraying them down, the effect was almost immediate. The air coming out of the top of the units was a lot cooler. And obviously now it's gotten hot again, but yeah, these things were all, the coils were almost gray in color. They were so dusty. There's still some crap in there, but like that little thing, whatever the hell it is. There we go. The garden hose I sprayed them with. Yeah, this is my neighbor's right here. This is a 2-ton, and this is a 2.5-ton. And that is my other neighbor's, I believe, also a 2.5-ton. It is 10:18 p.m. on Friday, July 22nd, 2011, and it is still in the 90s with a heat index that makes it feel like it is over 100 degrees. The downstairs unit is set to 70 degrees and the upstairs is set to 68 degrees. And it's going to get down to about 77 degrees tonight, and then it's going to go back up into the high 90s tomorrow. And even though 77 degrees sounds cool compared to what it's been all day, it's still going to be very humid, very muggy. It's miserable right now. Not as bad as it was all day today, but it's still pretty bad right now. And there's like water in the base pan of the unit. I do not know if that is from earlier when I hosed down the units, or if that is condensation that just dripped off. Very sweaty. I wish there was some way of showing the viewers how hot it is right now. thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.